Hi guys, what's up? You are watching Hyper IT Sec channel, and today's video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to deploy a free email marketing tool, and that tool can be deployed over the Cpanel as well. And if you want to deploy over the Linux, you can as well. And in this video we are going to deploy this onto the Cpanel. No matter at all, you have dedicated hosting or shared hosting, you can deploy any hosting. If you have the Cpanel, you can deploy over that. In the upcoming days I will also teach you regarding the Linux, that how we can deploy that tool onto the Linux as well. So the tool name is Mautic. You have to visit official website of Mautic, click onto the downloads. Pretty much easy. Here you have to put your information, all information. Choose your why you are downloading this ISO. You have to choose that country and obviously language. Then if you want any type of newsletters like security updates, developer updates, or anything like that, you have to check mark on it. If you don't, no need to worry about that, leave it. But this option is mandatory. You have to click onto the yes option, and just press download Mautic. It will be downloaded. I have already downloaded, so video will be lengthy if I download it. I'm going to download it. So I have already downloaded it. It is available over here. You can see that it will be downloaded like that. And after that you have to visit onto the Cpanel, and you have to type subdomain. Go into the subdomain. You have to create one subdomain, and you can just write the name whatever you want. Let's say I'm saying market 1, market 1, and you can see that. And now we create this subdomain. Once we create the subdomain, we need to check the list. If it is created, then it should be there. Yes, it is there. Now we have to just copy it. Why I'm going to copy it? Because we have to set the DNS records as well, because this is not available globally at this time until unless we advertise the DNS. DNS will be propagated shortly. And going to the manage DNS. Once you in the DNS, then go into the bottom, paste the domain, copy and paste the IP, and then click update DNS. DNS has been updated. Now what we have to do, now click onto the control panel. Now we have to create database. So for creating the database, we have to type here database, and we have to click onto the MySQL database name Mautic 1, create database. Once the database is created, we need to create the user. Mautic 1 database, we have to select the database, this one Mautic 1, and we have to set the complex password. So we can give any password. Let's say I'm giving the password superstar @ 123. create the database user. Now the user has also been created. You can see that user is available over here. Now we have to move that folder from the downloads to the file manager, and then you have to click onto the cpanel, then manage. You will have a single cpanel because I have multiple cpanels. That is the reason. And now I have to click onto the file manager. Once we inside the file manager, we have to find out that folder inside the public HTML. Then we created folder market1. Market1. Here it is. Market1. Once we inside the folder, then we have to upload the file. This one is the file. And then we have to click onto the upload. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes in the uploading. And so once the file is uploaded, we will extract this file into this folder. Wait for a second. File is being extracted. This tool is very important, and it is absolutely free and open source, and you can run your campaign as much as possible. Now it is uploaded. So now it is uploaded and ready to use. So once it is uploaded, we have to right click on it and then extract here. It will take around 1 minute, not more than that. And once the file is being right now the file is being extracted, and once it's done, definitely we will open the link. I will let you know the link. The link is simple because we have created the folder market1. So market1 dot, then my domain bnbcloudservices.com, then the installation will be started. So it is extracted. Now we will go onto the browser. We will type market1.pnbcloudservices.com. Wait for a second. Okay, that's great. Now it is open. So now it is ready to install. Hit next. Now we have to enter the database host and database details. So for this, we have to move on to the database list. Once you in the list, we have to navigate the targeted database, and the database we have to click it, copy server, and inside the host we have to put this IP, database name, database name, database, this is the database name. We have to copy that, database name, database username, Mautic 1, database password superstar @123, and then we have to click next. Now it's done. Now we have to set admin username, admin, password is admin, you can give email address, my email address, which I have already shown inside the description as well. Next, stronger password, it's asking for the stronger passwords, all the rest information is good. So next, oh no, that's it. So now we can access our email campaign tool. So now your email campaign tool is ready to use, and you can see that how it is simple to deploy over the cPanel. I will create one more video in the upcoming days for the Linux server as well if you don't have the cPanel, so no need to worry about that. We will do that for the Linux server as well. And the tool is ready to use, and you can run your campaign, initiate your business, and that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I request you to subscribe our channel. We need subscriber, and your support is mandatory, and we really need your support, so please support us. And in the upcoming video we will create one more video for this tool, that for this tool as well, that how we can operate this tool and how we can integrate our email, that which will be used for the email campaign. So I will let you know through this in the next video, that how we can integrate the email, how we can run the campaign, how we can create the template as well. So I will create one separate video for that. So for now that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, forward to your family, friends, and please one more request, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.